What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chasing Trophies. My name's Chase, and we are headed down to Myrtle Beach for another turkey-themed race. I'm going to try to redeem myself from that stadium participation trophy. Not happy with it. So, there's generally a better turnout at Beach Hobbies. That's my home track, so it'll be fun to be battling the locals again, and hopefully I can redeem myself, like I said. I'm still not 100% sure if we're racing for trophies or if we're racing for turkey legs, like food. I haven't got a straight answer on that one. I've been told turkey leg shaped trophies, which still doesn't really clear that question up for me. So we'll have to find out, and either we get a trophy or we're eating good tonight. Racing, the setup, but track feels awesome right now. I'm running slicks. Everyone's running treads. Slow. That man's slow. But no, everything's feeling great out there. Everyone says to run treads, but I'm running slicks. I don't know what the difference is. Just stay in the race line and get it. This is all mids right here.
Yep. We're going to push you to the outside. That's what we're going to do.
Feeling good in two-wheel drive, though. Stadium's a little off, but I'm still comfortable. This is what we're working with right here. I'm running some 22s, 23s, 24s. I just ran a 21 in the stadium, and I don't know why it's not logged on here, but feeling super confident in both of these. So there's a lot of fast people here, which is exciting, and there'll be some real competition. Excited for the races. Finished up qualifier 3. I was doing pretty good, taking second generally in all the qualifiers. But that last one was garbage. But come up to the board, we can see what we can do. Let's see what we got. So qualified, looks like 3rd in buggy overall, and yikes, 4th in stadium overall. That is garbage. Oh no, hold on, I'm sorry. This is for that heat. This is what I qualified at, 3rd. So let's go back. Alright, still 3rd, so I'm cool with that. Next is the main event, and we'll see if we get any trophies. So, hope I can get at least podium, hoping for 2nd. After today, these are getting thrown away. These are on their last leg. Garbage. These still pretty decent. I got a whole bag of tires over there, so I am not stressed. These are still in good shape. I've been racing on these for months.
Both down the straightaway, almost over the bumper. That's our 1 and 2. Real smooth driving by both drivers. Oh, Kermit rolls it. Evans probably seems to be making a little bit different noise than these other routes. Possibly a dip. Not sure. He seems to be running good. Not causing any issues at the breakdown. 4 minutes to go on this one, drivers. 4 minutes to go. Halfway through it. John Evans is going to be first for best lap at 21.7 for John Evans. Corey, David, Chase, Mike, Tony, Eric, Tom, and William. You guys are all up.
That's where I'm gonna start, right there, upside down.
Okay.
That's where Eric's gonna start, right there, upside down.
Wait. Emily!
That's where I'm gonna start, right upside down.
Thank you.
Eric's gonna cream me in this corner. He missed it. I used to get run on that. That's all we say. Just try to make
All right, my marshals are ready. My drivers are ready for this 8-minute main two-wheel mod in less than 5. Off to a clean start. Corey holds on to lead. David not too far behind.
Of course, of course, of course, of course.
Really, Eric? Sorry. Mom, you just have to let me be in front of you, okay? It's easy. You don't have to.
Thank you so much.
I got knocked out of my first battle.
All right.
Cross that line, you are done. Jason here got caught at the line.
Good luck.
8-minute main. Are you guys ready?
No.
Don't matter, because here comes Tony. Less than 5.
Thanks, Tom. Thanks, Tom. Whoa, Jesus, oh Louise. No, Chase. Jesus Christ. Coming for you, Tom. Coming for you. Whoa, why am I fucking flipping so bad? I'm so sorry. How did that fucking happen? Okay, thank God.
Over here.
How did you get in front of me? Hey, keep it, buddy. Keep it, buddy. Oh my God. Mind let me through? Oh no, that's Andrew. Thank you, Andrew. Oh my God, carnage. Ah. You still in third, Bill? I mean, Tom? Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Get it. Woo!
I was right on your tail.
Dude, as long as you stay in there, as long as you stay in it. Thank you. Oh, shit. Put me down, put me down.
Sorry.
All good, we got a little tangled up.
I zigged when I see Zag.
What's going on, guys? We are back from the track. I scored 2 more turkey trophies. Super excited about that. Based on the people who were there, I fought a good fight. I was racing against Kermit Butts, me, Tom Brady, and Mike Hicks. And Mike Hicks I generally cannot beat in club racing. He just wasn't having his night that night, I guess. But it was Kermit Butts first place, me second place, and Tom Brady third. That was actually Tom's first trophy, so it was super sick to see him get that. He's one of our buddies that hangs out with us in the little circle. And then two-wheel buggy I fought. It was just, there's a lot of good drivers out there. I cannot believe I beat David Olson, I believe his name is. He's really fast. Team driver for Tekno. But that was awesome. So these are way more ecstatic about these than the Thunder Alley trophies, because these were actually fought for trophies, and I'm way more proud of them. These guys killed it out there, and everything was just perfect. Conditions were perfect. I don't understand why, but everyone seems to, whenever I show up to beach hobbies, and it'll be like a couple weeks between me showing up, and because it's hard to get out there, but everyone was telling me to run treads, and I always go out there with slicks, and it hooks every time. So I was running slicks out there. It was freezing cold, but yeah, guys, we secured them. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.